It's about 2:30. It's still too cold to go much farther than the front porch. Although the plow drivers kept up with the snow and did an excellent job, there's still quite a bit of snow, even with the sunshine. It's just frigid. Absolutely frigid. The snow clouds are still here. We're having periodic snow squalls. As you can see on the boardwalk, we still have a good 6 to 8 inches laying undisturbed. It's very, very cold. The wind chills really haven't gotten up very much. There's still a lot of snow, and it's very, very cold. Even in the tree, lots laying, snow is still falling. Ugh. Plows are still out treating the roads to make sure they stay clear, because everything is going to freeze tonight. You can only stay out just a couple of minutes. The wind is still very biting and cutting. But there it is. The first snow. Oh. It's been a few years, but we'll be okay. It's just